So if you're wondering how you can sell your designs on Canva, then this video is for you. So what you need to do is open your browser and type in canva.com. After that, you see this interface that appears on your screen. What you need to do is tap on a new tab and then type Canva Creator. After that, go to this website called canvacreators.com. Just tap on it. Then this page appears. What you need to do is tap on Become a Creator. And under this page, you can see Welcome to Canva Creators, Templates, Elements, Education Resources. You can choose whatever content you will be creating. Just tap on one of the options and tap on Register Interest. Then this page appears where you need to enter your name, your last name, your email, your country, and your preferred language. And why would you like to contribute to Canva library, and tap on one of the options. Are you an education specialist on creating? After filling the form, just tap on submit and you'll create a professional account on your Canva, which will help you to sell items in Canva or sell your designs from Canva. So in this way, you can sell your designs from Canva easily. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful.